How to set iPhone volume lower than the lowest level. To set your iPhone volume lower than the lowest available level, you can try few steps which is in this video. The very first one is use volume slider in Control Center. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Once your Control Center is opened, adjust the volume slider manually as close to the bottom as possible to get more precise control. As you can see, you have set it to the lowest. This is the only way to set your iPhone volume lower than the lowest level. You can also adjust specific apps' volume manually. Many apps like Spotify or YouTube have their own volume controls independent of the iPhone's main setting. You can lower the volume over there. In this way, you can easily set your iPhone volume lower. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.